Thank you, Nur Adibah. I will do my presentation. Before I start, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Alihanis binti Nur Azman, 33DTM18F1019 as a presenter 2. This graph shows the result from respondent outlook on studying English give benefit in good relationships with friends. The question referred based on the benefit by studying English can have a good relationships with friends. Respondent mentioned 5 main answers, which is strongly agree, disagree, neutral, agree, and strongly agree. From the pie chart, it is clear that the majority of respondent outlook on the benefit in good relationship that they have got after studying English was chosen the agree answer, which is 51.9%. Slightly less than 9.3%, the respondent answers neutral. The minority percentage of respondent answer is disagree. In conclusion, since agree are the popular chosen answer, it is clear that the most of the respondent is agree. By studying English, they got a lot of benefit in the relationship with their friends. The disagree answer is the lowest percentage of the 5 main answers. In future, we can probably expect to see more people out there to love and focus on English lesson, which can give more benefit in relationships with friends and even with others person out there. This graph shows the respondent result on their opinion to pay attention during studying English. The question referred based on the fully attention of respondent on studying English lesson. Respondents mentioned 5 main answers, which is strongly agree, disagree, neutral, agree, and strongly disagree. From the pie chart, it is clear that the majority of respondents' opinion is choosing the agree answers, which is 53.7%. Slightly less than 16.7%, the respondent answers neutral on their opinion during studying English lessons. A percentage of strongly agree answer to pay attention during English is only 7.3%. The minority percentage of respondent opinion is disagree. In conclusion, since agree are the highest chosen answer, it is clear that the most of the respondents are paid the fully attention during studying English lessons. The strongly agree answers in the lowest percentage of the 5 main answer. In future, we can probably expect to see more people out there to love and focus on English lesson that also can pay fully attention on English. Okay, next, this graph shows the result from respondent wish to have many English speaking friends. The question referred a wish to have a lot of friends that can fluently speak in English. Respondent mentioned 5 main answers, which is strongly disagree, neutral, agree, and strongly agree. From the pie chart, it is clear that the majority of respondents wish to have many English speaking friends was chosen the agree answers, which is 59.3%. Below than a third, the respondent respond neutral, which is the difference was 31.5%. Moderately less than 16.7% answered strongly agree. The minority percentage of respondent answers is disagree. In conclusion, since agree are the most chosen answers, it is clear that most of the respondent was wish to have many friends that can speak in English. The disagree answer is the less percentage of the 5 main answer. In future, we can probably expect to see more people out there to learn more things in English lesson that we can take advantage to use the lesson with other and also give a benefit on finding jobs. So now, Nur Fazira will take the part for next slide.